Welcome to Behind the Buzz. My name is Rebecca Urena, and today we are here with Jeffrey Jacob. Thank you for being here today.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me, Rebecca.
He's with CPP, and we're going to talk a little bit more about the company. Could you tell us how the company works exactly for those viewers who have not heard of it yet?
Sure. CPP stands for Cancer Prevention Pharmaceuticals, and we are working on therapeutics to help prevent or delay cancer or sequelae that leads to cancer or risk factors that lead to cancer. Our lead indication is an orphan disease called FAP that has 100% risk of colon cancer unless patients have their colons taken out, their rectums taken out, other pieces of their GI tract taken out. So we're hoping to prevent or delay all of those procedures for patients from their teen years through their adulthood.
Oh, wow. And is there any timeline for this treatment?
This disease is a germline hereditary disease. So if your parent has it, there's a 50% chance that you have it. So when kids are 8, 9, 10, 11 years old, they start having annual colonoscopies and endoscopic procedures to mitigate the high-risk polyps that are the things that eventually turn into cancer. And by the time a child is in high school or early college, it's like a carpet of high-risk polyps, and you have to have things taken out.
Wow. And is there any same sector company at the moment that's doing anything similar to what you guys are doing?
There's no one that's focused on the breadth of the disease. The people that have that have an intact colon still, people that have had their colons taken out, and where we're trying to help them preserve their rectums or surgical pouch so they don't have to have a permanent ileostomy, or the downstream sequelae, which is duodenal disease. I think we're the only ones focusing on that entire spectrum. There are some other companies that have started to work in the area, but it's a very challenging area to work.
And what can you say differentiates you guys from a same sector company?
Well, we're the only company, as far as I know, and many of them have talked to me for advice, that are focusing on clinically meaningful endpoints. That means, can we actually delay a surgical event? Not just, can I change the polyp count from 1,000 to 900 or 800? So that's really what differentiates us.
Amazing. And so for investors that are just learning about the company, why should they take an interest?
Well, there's many reasons, but I think at the top of the list are that we're way down the road. We are potentially 1 year away from getting this drug approved if we can successfully navigate the FDA and the EMA. The EMA in Europe would be about 6 months after the FDA, but we're preparing to file our new drug application and the European equivalent of that, the MAA, sometime in May. That's our target.
That's amazing.
To get the drug approved early next year.
Oh, that's amazing. It's amazing, and I wish the company all the best.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
My pleasure, Rebecca. Thanks for having me.
Of course. I'm Rebecca Urena, and this has been Behind the Buzz.